YouTube family, welcome to the channel. Welcome. Today we're going to see Uk49. If it's the first time, please subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much. Today we're going to see how to win this lotto. Please, before we go, subscribe, like and share. Join my WhatsApp group using this phone number. It says only WhatsApp. You are only allowed to WhatsApp when you're ready to join. To join is 100 Rand and is once off. This money is a once off. You can join only if you have a voucher. You can WhatsApp me, please. For the people who are interested in forex trading, how to make money as a forex trader, it's a good journey to take. If you are interested, you can also WhatsApp me. Yeah, so let's go. Today I'm gonna start with this simple money making strategy. Two numbers minus on any draw order, just on Teatime. This one gave us 3, this one gave us 30, this one is gonna give us 21. So this 21 can either come on lunch or tea. So we have a first number 21. All right, that was the first one, and the second one is to use the first and the last number on the T once again. This is gonna give us 37 and 39. So that's where 37 came from. I repeat, this 38 I remember. So that is how we're gonna get. We're gonna do minus here, which is gonna give us 33. On orange, we have a 33, and also since they did a minus, since the amount, even if you can add the number together, it can still work, which is gonna give us 41. All right, so we have a 33 and the 41 on this one, because sometimes when they do minus twice, then the next day they will do plus. So we did a minus here, which gave us 40 played here as a 4. That's why it didn't show up here, but yesterday we played also 40. If you spin is a 4, that is also another one. The other one is to add the last two numbers together. That's why I got my 38 and 37. So let's add these numbers together. So here we're having 92. When you spin 92 is 29, which is sitting there. You will do this in a numerical order. So let's add this here. It's gonna give us 83. That's where I got my 38, and then I played the nearby number to 37 and 39 as well, because 38 was sitting there in the same draw. So when you add here, we're gonna get 75. This 75 is a very big number. You can play 15, 17, or you can also play this with 75 as 12 if you add the numbers together, right? So they have been adding it together. Don't forget that. If you do minus, it's gonna give us 1. But let's do it. We have a 75. You can play 75 as a small number. Since 5 came, we can rely on 7. Right? Okay, you can also add the number, because if you add, it's gonna give us 12. 12 already we have a 21, which makes sense. 21 can be spinned to 12. All right. So that was also the other beautiful number. So here we're having 26, which never show up. Here we're having a 31, which showed up. Here we are having, which number is this? 10. So we have a 10, guys. 10 and the 44. Because sometimes they're gonna play both number, or they're gonna add these numbers together, right? 10 and the 44. Alright, so we're gonna add 25 on our numbers. I had this 25 yesterday, it didn't come. Let's add it as well. Alright, so then we're going to check the croissant strategy if it's working in numerical or in draw order. So when you do minus here, we get 10. When you do minus, it's 23, which gave us 32. 10 is sitting there, and so they spin all the numbers. So when you spin here, what you get, it's gonna give us 21. Then here it's gonna give us what? 10. Yeah, 21 or 12. If they wanna spin, they're gonna play 12. Alright. So then that was the croissant strategy. Do you remember it? I hope you do. Alright, so when you put the numbers in a draw order, I want to see what happened. In a draw order, we have the minus strategy, which means the numbers stay the same in draw and numerical order. So there is also some strategies say when you take the numbers in a numerical and in a draw order, let's say the number which didn't change the position is this one here. So this number, when they are like this, you do plus or minus 1. The number which didn't change the position. So the number which didn't change the position is 3. 3 plus or minus 1 is 2 and 4. 4 is sitting there. 1 plus or minus is 2. 1, because you can do plus or minus, it's a repeat inserted. So then you can play just 1 and 2. Then 9 plus or minus is 7 and 9. Sorry, 8 plus or minus is 7 and 9. 9 is sitting there. So you can see they came. Let's see for today the number which didn't change the seat in a numerical order and in a draw order. Ready? Alright. So the number which didn't change the seat in numerical and in draw order are this one. We have this, we have 4, which is gonna be 3 and 5. 5 is sitting there, then 3 is sitting here, then we have a 4, we have a 16. 16 is gonna be 15 and 17. If you do plus or minus 1, 17 is a bonus. It's okay, we can still try it. 17 is also 34, remember. Alright, they like to multiply this number, 15 and 17. So that is also another secret. The other one, remember last time I said you put your numbers in a numerical order like this. You see this one? Then you do minus and then you add the first number. So for example here, give us a 4. When you do minus is a 4, 4 played here. Then you add this one is a 5, 5 played there. Then you take that 4, 5, you use it here, it's gonna give us a 34. When you do minus 25, when you do plus 34 and 25. So if you take this 4 and the minus here, it's gonna give us 25. If you add is 33. So all the numbers they were used here on tea time, only one number came on lunch. Remember, it's being used in a numerical order. So when you do minus here, it's giving us 14. 14 you can still come. Then the 14 when you do plus it's 18. Then 18 when you do minus here, it's gonna give us a 16. But if you take this 14 minus here, it's gonna give us 20. So among these numbers, one number on lunch, or two numbers, or no, one number on it. So these are the numbers, in fact, 14, 18, 16, 20. So this 18 came on Omega Million. It can come also on Lunchtime, Uk49. It doesn't matter. So we have a 14. Remember, we used to have a 41. We had a 41 before. We have 18. we have a 16, we have a 20. So since 16 is sitting there as well, you can ignore it and play other numbers, or you can just play it on lunch. That is also another one. So if you put these numbers in a draw order, if you put these numbers in a draw order with a 30, which is sitting there, when the 31, when you add the 30 plus 1 is 31, which is sitting here as a there. So here meaning that since we have a, when we do minus, it's gonna be 21, right? Then 21. Then when you add this number here is 25, right? So meaning that when we're gonna play that number as well, 21 and 25. Kindly subscribe, like and share. Then you can see here where it's 21, then this is 21. You use the number which is sitting on the fourth seat, doing a plus or minus, or you use this a 25. So meaning that if here we had 30, 30 plus this one is 31, which they spin to 13. Then this one, when you do minus here, we have 31 minus is what? 19. The answer is 19. Then 31 is 43. So we have 19 and 43. All these numbers were spinned to play 34 and 16 on tea time. So this number is mostly being used on tea time. So meaning that we're going to see how can they spin our numbers today. Here we're having 21, which can be 12. And you take that 21 add this number, which is 25, right? But so remember 30 and the 31, it came as 13. So this one. Then 21, no, sorry, 31 and this one is 43, right? So then here we are having 25 and this one. So 25 we're gonna do minus, because if you add you're gonna be 58. If you do minus, let's see what the answer 33 and 25. The answer is 8. So how will they spin 8, guys? 8 is 44, guys. Yeah, 8 is 44, but we can still select 8, mostly preferably on tea time. So the numbers that we are predicting, they can either come on lunch, or tea time. All right, because the strategy that I chose both lunch and tea. So meaning that here they use this number for this. So they use this number 31. If you take this number 30 and you do minus, it's gonna give us 18. So then I use this one. They use it after they did the minus deduction or something. All right. So that is exactly what we're gonna. We have a 12, 21, 25, and the 8. So this number can either come on lunch or tea time. All right. So remember, we're gonna use it in numerical and draw order. It's something I want you to understand. This one, when you do minus, it's 4. 4 came on T. So this one, when you do minus, it's what? 14. 14 can come on T. This problem raise up. 14 can come on T as well. So then, if they want to spin, they can spin. So here we do minus. They were using this number on lunch, now they decide to use it on T. So now we have 4. When you add this number in the front, it's 5. So 14, when you add this number in the front, what is the answer? Is 18, right? 18, right? I'm just checking something. So now this one, they 4 is the 5. When you add here is a 34. So 4 use here is 4, when you add is 5 plus this one is 34. 34 came on T. So this one 14 and this one is 18. 18 when you do plus it's 52, right? But if you do minus, it's gonna give us something which is like 16, right? 26, see? No, it's 16. So the answer is 16. Then when you take this 14, you add, it's gonna be 48. Then when you do minus, it's gonna be 20. So the other number we didn't notice is 48 or 20. So those are the number calculated for today, lunch and tea time numbers. Meaning that you have a strategy, I know guys behind the scene, meaning that if you check all of these numbers, I'm gonna read them with 21, 33, 41, 7, 5, 10, 44, 25, 12, 15, 17, 14, 18, 16, 20, 8, 48. Those are the numbers calculated, right? So we have 21, 33, 41, 7, 5, 10, 44, 25, 12, 15, 17, 14, 18, 16, 48, 20, and 8. Yeah, so those are the numbers. And also, before we forget, when the number in front they are lower than 49, you can add them together. Let's say here it's 34 and 37. So 37 came, right? All right. So here when you add is a 15, and when you add here is 28. So 15 or 28, because when you reach here, the number will still be lower than the 49. So we have it 15 or 28. I will see you in my next video, and bye bye.